there, I'm Molly Horak from the Horak Group with Remax Boone Realty, and today's seller's tip is kind of a smelly one. Don't let odors scare away potential buyers. Make your home feel fresh and clean with fresh and clean scents. So what does this mean? This means if you know the cat has peed on the trim and damaged the trim, you should probably be replacing that trim. If the carpet is saturated with pet urine, you should probably be replacing the carpet or cleaning it incredibly thoroughly. They can actually do a thing where they take the carpet off and they clean it on both sides and they sanitize the pad so that you don't have to completely replace the carpet. See if that works. It might save some money. Do not just mask the odor because that's, dishonest. But it goes beyond pets. So if your home has a weird smell to it, you want to find out what that is, you want to fix it, you want to make your home a wonderful place for people to visit and a wonderful place for people to live. And you want to do it in a way that feels clean. So they've actually done some research on this where people find those perfumey smells deceptive. Whereas cleaning product smells make them think that the home is in better condition and maybe has been better maintained because it smells clean. Clean is good. Perfumey, deceptive. So make your home as inviting and clean and fresh smelling as possible.